Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making a beautiful gather skirt with crossing belt. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. For the fabric, I'm using an African fabric, which is Ankara fabric, okay? And of course, we need a lining. This is optional. If you want a lining, you can go ahead and for the length of the skirt length is 14 inches. Now it will be having a band of 2 inches. So if I remove 2 inches from 14 inches, I'll be having 12 inches. Okay. So I'll go ahead and measure 14 inches so that by the time I hem it at the down part and I'll use half inch to join it, I'll still be having 12 inches. Okay. Now for the length of this Ankara fabric is 45 inches. So I'll be joining it down. So I'll use 45 times 2. I want it to be very full, okay? While the width is 14 inches. So I will divide it into 2 and join it at the down part. Then I'll go ahead and divide it into 2 because I want it to be very full. The lining is 11.5 inches. I'll be folding it down to end up 10 inches, okay? The length is 60 inches for the lining. So the next thing I'll be cutting will be the band. For the band, I will measure 2.5 inches on fold and see that by the time I join it to the downside, it will end up 2 inches. 2.5 inches for the width. The waist measurement is 21 inches. So I'll go ahead and add 1 inch, making it 22 inches. To be on the safe side, I'll make it 22.5 inches. Okay. If you want it to have enough allowance, in case if the person add weight, you can actually loosen it. You can make it 23, but I'm making it 22.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. For the crossing belt, the half length is 9 inches. Okay. So what I'll do is to times it by 2, then add extra 2 inches. Okay. 9 times 2 will give me 18 plus extra 2, that is 20 inches. But because of the folding at the edges, because I have to turn it, I have to close up the edges, so I will make it 21 inches. Okay, for the length. For the width, I will make it 2 inches. So by the time I close it up, it will end up 1.5 inches. So I'll be cutting it into 2 pieces. So I'll be cutting it into 2 pieces. That is 21 inches into 2. So guys, we're actually done with the cutting. We have cut out all the parts that we need. We need the men's skirt, the main body of the skirt, the lining, the crossing belt, and the band. Okay, the bigger one is the band, while the smaller one is the two crossing belts. So for the sewing aspect, the first thing I need to do is to join this at this edge, then make a gather. After joining it here, I'll go ahead and fold the down part. I'll hem the down part, okay, using the waist measurement, which is 21 inches. Okay, I'll make sure that I added extra 2 inches, making it 23 inches. That will be the length. So I'll make a full gather. So after making a gather, the next thing is to fold in the down part of the lining. Okay, I'll just close up the two edges like so. Then I'll turn it to the right side. Then for the crossing belt, I'll go ahead, close up only one side. I'll turn it to the wrong side like so. Close up this edge, then close up this side, leaving this edge open. The same thing I'll do to the second one. Just close up the tip here, close up the other side, and leave the down part open. So I'll go now and do this now, after which I'll show you the next thing I'll be doing. Now I've made a gather with this. This is the skirt. I've made a gather using the waistline. The waistline is 24 inches and I added 1 inch, making it 25 inches. You can see it. The same thing to the lining. Now this is the belt. What I did, I close up this side, then I have to face the seam line at the middle, okay, to make sure that the line did not show on both sides. Okay, so I close it up at this down part, only one side. The same thing I did to this one. So I will turn it to the right side now first before I continue any other thing. So you can see how it looks. The seam line is not showing on any side, it's just at the back. You can see the seam line. So I will turn this one the same way I did to the other one. Okay, this is for the belt. One end is closed, the other end is open. Now this is the band. Okay, what I will do now is to join these two together, the lining and this and the main fabric. I'll top stitch on it like so. You can see. So make sure that this hemming part is face down. The right side is facing upward. Okay. I'll top stitch on it. Then, so the next thing I'll do, this is the band. I'll start from the back. Okay. You can see from the back. I'll just make straight stitches. Okay. On it. After which I will bring it to the front, then cover it up, then top stitch. You can see how it will look. So I'll first of all sew from the back, then turn it to the front, then top stitch. So it will be having a zipper. So I'll go now and fix the band, close up these two, so I'll add the zipper. After which we'll go over to the belt. The other end of it, I want it to be detachable crossing belt. Okay, this one will be detachable. So what I will do is just to fold in 1/2 inch or quarter depending. Just fold it in small, then top stitch. This will be the back. While this other mouth that I stitched very well will be the front. So I'll go over now and I'll close up the two sides, fix the band, fix the zip and close. Then I'll show you the next thing. The last stage will be the button, which we will attach on both this. If you want, you can actually fix it direct, but let me now go and do all I said, after which I will show you the next step. So guys, I've actually joined the lining, but before I did that, I have to turn it right side face each other. You can see. Then I turn it to the right side before I then fix the band. So this is the back, while this is the front. So this side will be for the zipper. For the zipper, I'll just mark 7 inches here for the zipper. Then I'll close up the rest. So this 7 inches here for the zipper. The waist is 22 inches. Okay. 22 inches divided into 2 will give me 11 inches. But I'll make it 10.5. Okay. To make it very tight, as a band, it needs to be tight, not the normal waistline. So I'm using 10.5 to close it up. Okay. Then I will fix my zip. So I'll just take it like so. Then for this side, you can actually take 1 inch. Okay. Then close it up. So let's assume we have closed it here. So after closing it, turn it to the right side. So this is how it will look after closing it. If I fix my zipper, that is how tight it will be. Now for the belt, I told you to be detachable. That is, I will fix my button, both the front and the back, to be 4 pieces of button. So from this point, this zipper line here, I'll just determine what I have. So I'll just notch the middle, that is the two side here. So from the two side here, I have 11.5. Okay, divided into 2 will give me 5¾ that will be the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Then what I will do, that 5¾ I will still divide it into 2. Okay, if I divide it into 2, I will mark, that is where the belt will be. Okay, that is the placement of the belt, both front and back. Let's assume we have fixed the button here. So you make sure that the belt, if you fold it, the middle should match with this line. Okay, that's my button. I'll fix my button here, and as well fix another button here. So this is for the back. The same thing, we mark the same measurements. Then it's 5¾ here, then half of it is 2¾ just the same way. Just make sure that the two belts rhyme, two of them are lined. Okay, that is how it is. So you can see how it looks. You see. So if you want, you can just take it the other way around. Okay. So I'll make it detachable so that even if you want to use without the belt, okay, just fix button on the both side and do buttonhole on the two edges of the belt. That is just the thing. So if you want, you can actually take it like that. Wear it without the belt. You can see the crossing at the back. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends. Keep watching for more styles and bye until I see you in my next video. How do you feel about this video? Drop your comment at the comment section. Thanks for watching.